I think the reason I do what I do is because I know the power of those lessons. And I know that, like, you don't have to knock people down to learn those lessons. So my thing is all about how do you build people up without knocking them down and still take away those lessons? Because I think life is too short to be knocked down first, personally.
Are you saying that because maybe you were knocked down and had to pick yourself back up again?
That was the old drama school. That was how drama schools were. It's like art schools, I think. I've never done art school, but I'm told that if you wanted to be an artist back in the day, you would be knocked down and then rebuilt. It was just the way they did things.
Is that just like an archaic way of teaching, like break them down, build them back up again, but with a new operating system that's in line with the teaching?
It's a bit Me Too, isn't it? It's a bit it's a bit control. I think it's old thinking. It's gone. I think it's gone. Weirdly.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Well, with people like you out there teaching in a completely different way.
You hope so. I also don't think the youngsters, I sound 107, so I say that, but I think people coming through are less accepting of that kind of bullying behaviour, whereas we were so accepting of it.